So do does is equal to is MR plus V3. Did is equal to was were plus V3. In active passive voice, please keep the question only. उसको full stop नहीं लगाना. Yes, examples. Now the second sentence.
Ma'am, would you please repeat the rule number 1?
Beta do does change to is MR. Do does change to is MR and did change to was were. This is the rule number 1. Do they appreciate her? Do they appreciate her? Which is the object here? Please find out. Subject is they. Object is. Now you will just bring it here. Her will become. Now tell me with she. Is she then appreciated by them? Yes. Is she appreciated by them? Always just first of all bring the object there, then decide which helping verb will be there. Is, am or are. Should I rub the first one? Which is the subject here, one by one, please. Slow. Subject. This is subject. This is verb. Where is the object? Any assignment. This is the object. Now bring your object here. Yes. Any assignment, write down here. Now see the rule, please. Did changes to. Now was will come here or were, you have to decide. This is singular. Any assignment. Was any assignment prepared by him? Question mark. So this was the example. This was the example of do, does, and did. Any problem you can ask me. Do, does, is, am, are, did, was, were. Now I'm moving to rule number 2. This rule you already know, beta. ये आपको पहले से ही आता है. Is, am, are will remain same plus being. Always use being with is, am, are plus V3. Similarly with was, were, use being. Is, am, are is equal to is, am, are plus being. Always use being. Now I'm giving you 3-4 examples. Which is the subject here, Chehek? Object. Rangoli is the object. Now you will definitely bring the object here. Rangoli. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा बेटा? See, the rule is changes to is plus being. Is Rangoli being made by her? Question mark again. Saksham, next you will tell. First of all, subject, verb, object. Subject is she is the subject. Verb is reading. Object को आगे ले आओ हॉरर स्टोरीज को. बच्चे हॉरर स्टोरीज फर्स्ट. हॉरर स्टोरीज इज सिंगुलर और प्लूरल? With plural, what do you use? Was or were? Were. With plural, we use were horror stories being read by her. So this is the second example all. If you will go step by step, then I'm sure that you won't make any mistake. First of all, bring object, then slowly find out which helping verb should be there. Sigh, breathe after 5 minutes, but it's important. Now the third rule, please. This is example. This is example. Harmeet, subject, verb, object. You is the subject, taking is verb, object, extra class is object. पहले object को आगे ले आओ. Yes. With extra classes, now please find out the helping verb. Are extra classes being taken by you? So this was rule number 2. Everything is clear? Jasmine, please tell me what is the rule of do does. Do does में क्या होता है? अलग अलग है. Do does is equal to? Yes. Mitarthi, did is equal to? Savya, is MR is equal to? Is MR is equal to was verb? Argun was verb. हाँ, ठीक है. Now next one. Has, have, had. Vaibhav, please tell me subject, verb, object. This is subject, verb. So what you will do now? Hmm. Exactly. Have you been helped by him? Devang, get ready now. Devang, please tell me. Subject, verb, object first. Which is a subject here? Verb, object, the notebooks. First of all, what we have to do now? Hmm. Now, have the notebooks. Spelling. Ipsa. Yes. बेटा being में you people just get so much confused. Been आता है has have had के साथ. Being आता है is am are was were के साथ. ठीक है? Many notebooks are there. So Gaurish, Veronica and Shubh, please get ready. Yes, Gaurish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please. Any doubt or you have raised hand for your answer, beta?
Ma'am, I just raised hand for giving answer.
Now please give me answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Subject, verb, object, please.
Ma'am, subject is Rajan and object you.
Now what you will do first?
Ma'am, we will interchange the position of object.
Now what should I write here?
Ma'am, have. Oh, ma'am, have. I have.
Had remains had only, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, just a minute. Ma'am, had you been slapped by Rajan? Or
you,
him?
what did you say after you? Yes, Gaurish, after
Ma'am,
had.
am I audible?
Yes, yes. Had you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, had you been?
Only first rule was new one, otherwise old rules are going on. Has have we generally changed it to been only. Only first rule is new one for you. सब में वो पूरी वॉइस में बेटा पूरी वॉइस में बेटा the meaning of voice itself is you have to change subject and object. वॉइस का मतलब ही यही होता है. So second last rule is बेटा generally what is the rule of model? मॉडल का रूल क्या होता है? Now this is easy one, just same model you have to write here. Subject, verb, object, please. Sahibpreet. Subject, verb, object. Object को आगे लेके आओ. Stop it, please. Stop it. Amarjot, please tell me answer. Model should be the same. Which is the object here? Huh? This form? Now please tell me, been is used with which helping verbs? Been. B-E-E-N. Has, have, had. Okay. Being. Is, am, are, was, were. And be. Model. So there are three words. Please don't get confused. Is, am, are, was, were. Has, have, had. Model. Okay. Do, does is different बेटा, वो is am are में जाएगा. Last rule. Kasak. You have to change the tense accordingly using your previous rules. After doing example, you will be able to understand. Who? Karthik. Subject, verb, object. Do. You is the subject. Verb. तो क्या आएगा इसमें? Do, does, changes to, please tell me. Yes. What is wanted by you? There is no object here. उसमें आपने बस इसको लास्ट पे ले जाना एंड जस्ट अप्लाई द रूल हियर. ओके. Parth. Subject, verb, object. Subject. You is the subject, verb, object. Now please tell me your answer. Has, have changed to? Has, have been. So answer please. Object को आगे बेटा. No. The child. What is? Stop it please. Child के साथ has होता है बेटा. Has. Little mistake, otherwise correct. Raghav. Little mistake. Okay. Akshara. Okay, I'm getting two answers here. Why the child has been punished by you, or why has the child punished by you, been punished by you? What is your opinion? Please tell me. Has पहले आएगा या बाद में? Please let me know. पहले आएगा. Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you think that has पहले आएगा. Please tell me. Raise your hand. Narration और voice को mix मत करना please. Now tell me. Has पहले किसको लग रहा आएगा? Okay, बाद में. At least listen please. At least both of them deserve a clap. क्योंकि उनको ही आता था बस. राघव के साथ ही ओवर रिएक्टिंग शुरू हो गई. Now one more please. Yes, please. Make your answer, then raise your hand. Make your answer. Subject. Voice is the opposite of narration. Please write down the verb first, then anything else. I'm waiting. Quickly do it and raise your hand. अभी मत बताओ बेटा, थोड़ी देर में. No one is ready.
मैम रेडी.
पहले तो विल पहले आना बेटा, वो नरेशन में होता है बाद में. और थोड़ा सा थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. विल आई बी. थर्ड फॉर्म भी गलत है. बहुत बड़ा टर्न आ गया. हाँ बेटा, हु होता है वो, हाउ है इसमें, वो हु होता है. मैं बताती हूँ आपको. नरेशन मिक्स कर रहे हो. How? Clap for it, sir, please. Okay, okay. Last example. फिर से सेम मिस्टेक बेटा, वो पहले आएगा. यस, सेकंड फॉर्म का रूल. was were plus third form. Answer. Okay, 1 minute. वॉइस में वर्ब पहले आता है. दोबारा बोलो. हेल्पिंग वर्ब पहले आएगा, फिर वास आएगा. ओके, एक्सेप्टेड. अगनजोत. आप छोटे बच्चे हो, आप प्लीज इसको बोलो क्लास से बाहर जाओ. लेट मी सी कितनी बात मानते हैं. बेटा रिसेस में लिख दो. मैं बस, मेरे पास 5 मिनट्स में आ गया. ठीक है. सक्षम. The was. छोटी सी मिस्टेक. You are mixing this thing. Was, please.